In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your TurboTax order number. If you need your order number for a receipt, account verification, or to review a past purchase. The good news is that you can usually find it directly in your TurboTax account in just a few moments. I'll walk you through the process clearly so it's easy to follow. To begin, log into your TurboTax account. Make sure you're signing in with the same account that was used to purchase the product, since your billing and order information will only appear under that account. If you have more than one account, it's worth double-checking that you're in the correct one before moving on. Once you're signed in, look for Intuit account or your profile icon. This is typically located near the top of the page, and it's where you can access your personal account settings and subscription or purchase information. Go ahead and click on it to open the account menu. From there, select Products and Billing. This section is where Intuit stores details related to the products connected to your account, including payment and order history. If the page takes a moment to load, that's completely normal, especially if your account has multiple products or previous transactions attached to it. Next, open your TurboTax purchase history or billing details. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the version of the site you're seeing, but you're looking for the area that shows your previous purchases and payment records. This is the section that will help you track down the order you need. Now locate the order associated with your TurboTax purchase. Take a moment to review the list carefully, especially if you've bought more than one product or made purchases in different tax seasons. Matching the product name or purchase date can help you identify the correct order faster. If you see a View Details option, click it. This usually opens a more detailed summary of the transaction, including billing information and purchase specifics. Not every account view looks exactly the same, but if the option is available, it's the quickest way to see the full order information. At this point, your order number should be displayed along with your purchase details. You may want to keep it somewhere safe for future reference, especially if you think you'll need it again for support or documentation. And that's it. You've successfully found your TurboTax order number. Thanks for watching.